Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onyi Best and you're welcome to Onyi Best Beauty Patente B. So guys, in this video we'll be talking about junctions. How do you deal with junctions? Okay guys, so assuming you find yourself in this situation where there is signale di precedenza here, remember this is signale di precedenza. Whenever you see this on the road, it's telling you that you have to give precedence to those coming on this road that you're about to enter. Now guys, it's not telling you to stop, okay? It is not forcing you to stop. It's not obliging you to stop. You only stop if there's already vehicles there, okay? You only stop if there are vehicles circulating on the road. Now when you come to meet this road free of vehicles, you are allowed to go. Now this is signale di precedenza. How do you deal with this when you see it on junctions? Now assuming you're approaching on this road, okay, this is you're coming to this road, and then you get to this junction, and there's no vehicles on this road that you're about to enter. Guys, you are allowed to go, okay? You are allowed to go. Now, when there's vehicles here, you are obliged to stop and give precedence. That is why it is here, telling you to give precedence, give right of way to those circulating on this road, okay? Then you have to stop here. You have to stop here and allow them to go. Then when the road is free, you can go. Okay, guys. Now, we have two types of junction. We have the open junction and we have the closed junction. So what do we mean by open junction? Open junction in the sense that when you're coming from here, you can see the road, if it is free or not. You can determine right from here if the road is free for you to go. Okay, you can see it from here, knowing if it is free. Then we have the one that's called closed junction, telling you that you can't see, therefore you have to stop here, check if there's oncoming vehicles. If not, then you can go. The closed junction includes maybe there are houses built around this area, there are houses here, okay, maybe taller buildings preventing you from seeing the road. Okay, that's the reason why you have to stop here before you check again, then you go. Okay guys, that's the two junctions we have. Open junction, the one telling you from here if the road is free, which you can see very well, very clear. Then if it's not clear, those junctions are called closed junction. They are closed, so you have to stop here, okay, check, then you go. Remember, this signal di precedenza. You are not obliged to stop if there are no vehicles circulating on this road. That if you come in contact with this road being free, then you're not obliged to stop. Okay, now guys, what's the next thing I'm about to tell you? You see this here, these things I wrote here, they are very important to you when you're doing your driving test. Now if you want to pass your driving test, you have to watch out for these 5 signals. Okay, they are very important, guys. Now let us assume on this junction you want to turn to your right. What do you do? What do you do in this situation? Number 1, you have to watch out for your mirrors. Watch out for mirrors, your inside mirror and your right mirror. Now when you're turning to your right at this junction, look at the mirror inside of your car, look at the right hand side mirror, okay? Then secondly, you signal your right. Signal, turn your indicatore di direzione to your right, okay? After that, you check for position. Which position am I? What position am I supposed to be to turn to my right? So for example, this road is doppio senso. You have to be on your right to turn to your right. Do not go close enough to the pavement, okay? And do not come close to this place, so you don't obstruct the movement of those vehicles coming from this place, okay? If you're going to your right, you have to be on your right. Do not go close to the pavement, but be on your right, okay? Then if you're turning to your right, number 1 thing to do, look your mirror, inside your mirror, look the right side of your mirror, signal right, check the position you are supposed to be in, okay? Then you check your speed. Check your speed in the sense that if you're coming from here and it's an open junction, you know that you're seeing that there's no car that is ongoing here. You don't have to reduce your speed, you know. You don't have to reduce your speed much before you enter, okay? Now, when it's a closed junction where you're not seeing anything at all, you have to check for speed again. Now, this time you have to bring it very low to as low as 10, 15, okay? You have to bring it very low, okay, because you're not seeing anything. Then stop here if necessary, okay? Then you go. Now look, you have to look, be careful, look again, then you go. Because, I mean, you have to give them precedence. They own the road, they are moving on it. You are trying to enter the road they are moving on, so you have to look very well before you go. So number one, mirror, signal right, check your position, which you're supposed to be before you go. Check your speed, okay? You have to calm down. Most times when you're dealing with junction, go to 2, gear 2. Use your second gear, okay? Then you look again, then you go. So guys, I hope you understand this particular video. I don't know if I'm clear, but I'll be bringing more videos on this particular topic so you understand better. Mirror, your inside mirror, your right hand mirror, signal right. Check your position you ought to be. Check your speed. If you're moving with the higher speed, please reduce your speed. You're coming close to junction, reduce your speed, okay? Look again, then you go. Okay, thank you for watching. I love you. See you in my next video. Please share my video to your family and friends, okay? Like I promised, I'll be giving you back-to-back videos, okay? I want you guys to do better. I want us to do better. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.